Alright guys, so welcome back to Retron channel on YouTube. In today's video, I will teach you how to create this type of design inside Photoshop. So this is called a clipping mask where you can have your, I don't know, some type of stylish, right, like this, like a brush style like that with a photo inside. Uh, yeah, it's not like you putting in a photo and try to erase anything, but actually you try to shape the photo to any kind of shape you want. For example, right now, let me disable this so that you can see this is like a brush shape of some kind. And then we have a photo inside of that where you can move the photo to adjust whatever you want as well. So let's go ahead and see how we are doing this. So in order to do this, you must have your Photoshop open and then you head into File, click on New, and then you pull out something, maybe go for an option of photos and then the default photo size. Yep, choose that one. Click Create. Now we have this. Okay, so in order to make it look attractive, maybe you want to switch this into other color. So in order to switch this color, we double click on this one. We select color overlay. Of course, choose any color you want. I'm good with this one. Click OK. Yes, of course I like this one. Okay, so now let's bring in what we need. Okay, so a shape. For example, right here I have a shape of the brush, this type of thing. Okay, let me delete that. So let me try to okay, cut all the unnecessary thing to avoid the annoying of all of those tags. Okay, just try to well the shit text right there. Right. So I'm gonna click Control C, Control V again. We have paste. I'm deleting this. Okay, now we have this. So this is actually a PNG file, a brush type. I'm sorry, a brush type style. Okay. So now let's try to put a photo into it. We have a photo. Let's see. I'm having this photo. Okay, I'm gonna put the car photo right here. Put it on top of it. Okay, so in order to make the picture fit into this brush style, we need to have the photo on top of that brush style. Okay, so then we go ahead and select the photo. After that, we go into layer and then we select on creating clipping mask. Yep, like that. So now you have your clipping mask. You have your car right there. Okay, if you want to adjust this, just do that and click on the stylus. I mean the brush style. Click, then use the Control T command to be able to select and hold this, or let go to Control T and hold your mouse just to adjust that. Okay, I'm going to this, enter. Okay, so now the car. The car right here, you can simply the same thing. Click on car, click on this one, the car, and then Control T. Press Control T and then adjust the size of the car you want. Okay, so we want something like this. Okay, we want something like this. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna take this higher. Okay, I select all. Select this one. Control. Press Control key. Select layer one and then Control T. Yep. So that we can pull all big like that. Enter. Pull it up here, and then when it's time for us to put any BYD or something, put it on just like that. Okay. Boom. So now you have such a style. So the same as what we are doing a moment ago. In order to create a clipping mask like this, where you can have all kind of shape like this in Photoshop, all you have to do is to go into, well, maybe just go into Google or something. Okay, just go into Google and then going for okay, so not okay. Let's keep the Google type of thing. Okay, let's remove all this, remove it, and then we draw a shape. I'm gonna draw something like this, a pentagon, just a small one. Okay, just a small one. Oops, sorry, gotta fill the color. Hard to see. Okay, select color, we're going for red. Okay, so now we got it. Let's make it smaller. Okay, pentagon like this, and then I'm gonna pull the image again to drop into this one. Okay, so with this again, we got the polygon at the bottom of the image. So the image have to be at the top of the polygon, and it have to be next to each other like this. And then you select image first, select image, go to layer, select creating clipping mask, create clipping mask like that. There you go. Then you adjust the image to whatever you want. I'm gonna put the image something like this. Yep. So very easy, right? And now in order to avoid confusion, we just simply group this into one. Select this one, press Control key, select polygon, right click on that, go to group from layer, and then we just put it polygon image. Okay, so now we are safe with that. Simply move around all that, expand that. We can move everything like that. So this is how you are creating clipping masks inside Photoshop. So thank you guys for watching. Hope that you'll learn something in this video, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.